I'ma head out then.
What's going on, man? What you running in here?
4 Sundown X15s, V2s, wired at 1 ohm, Orion 11,041, and 6th order, 1:1 ratio. Bottoms tuned to 23, tops tuned to 48. You want to shut that door for me?
Yes, sir.
You want it sealed? Or you want windy?
Let me get wind. I like that wind. Yeah. That's crazy, man. That's wild right there. Well, anywhere they can find you on social media, man.
Yeah, Cleetus Armstrong.
Cleetus Armstrong. I'm gonna be sure to tag you them.
Name of the truck, man.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna tag you, man.
All right, man. I
Yes,
appreciate
sir,
it, man.
man. That thing serious, man. Appreciate it, bro.
You have a good one, man.
You too.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.